Good morning, class. We're going to be talking about parallel lines and transversals. What I wanted to do before we begin is give you a second that you could pause the video at this beginning and write down the key concepts. These are quite important: transversal, interior angles, exterior angles, consecutive interior angles, alternative interior angles, alternative exterior angles, corresponding angles. So anyway, this gives you a second to pause the video and write it down before we get into the concept, okay? So go ahead and pause the video so you can write it down. Anyway, we're going to continue. So good morning, class. I am glad to see you. I know that some of you struggled with the homework, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a video explaining how to do the homework, hopefully around 8. So if you want to check your work and make sure you did it right, you'll be given until 3 p.m. to make sure to turn it in. So it won't be late until 3 p.m. So that gives you some time to correct the mistakes. Okay? Okay, we're going to talk about the transversal. Now, the key idea is if you have two lines, sorry, they shouldn't curve, they should be straight. If you have two straight lines, but it got worse for some reason. Okay, whatever. Okay, going to scoot over. And put my bag of all the things positive and good in this world, which today involves coffee. Tomorrow might involve other good things. Let's have our line. Let's have another line. Okay. Okay. Now, line, arrows, line T. This should be M and N. Line T is a transversal. Okay, it cuts through two coplanar lines. Okay, if it crosses both of them, two or more, it is a transversal. Okay, this transversal, I'm going to label the angles. Let's always start with the top. So we start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's basically we label from top to bottom. Now it doesn't matter how this drawing is. Could it be this way, this way, this way, this way? Yes, it can all be all of those. Okay. Now, interior angles. Where are interior angles? Interior angles are going to be 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. Okay. What about exterior? Exterior. Our exterior is going to be the outside. 1, 2, 7, 8. Okay. What about consecutive interior angles? Consecutive. Okay. English is definitely not necessarily. Consecutive interior angles are going to be a set of pairs. So consecutive interior are going to be 3 and 6. Sorry, not 3, 6. Yeah. So 3 and 5 here, and 4 and 6. In the book, it has a different drawing. 3 and 5, and so these two are together, and 4, 4 and 6. Okay. What about alternative angle, interior angle? Alternative interior angle. angles. So these are going to be the angles that are alternating on the inside. So 3 and 6 here, and 4 and 5. Okay, so 3 and 6 and 4 and 5. Okay. What about alternating exterior angles? So alternate alternate. Sorry. When I'm tired, spelling is the first thing that goes out the window. Alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior is going to be 1 and 8. In this case, and 2 and 7. So my drawing is a little bit different. The book has a different drawing. Okay, so look carefully at the book, because the books and mine are the same concept. Okay, and then corresponding angles are going to correspond with location. So 1 and 5 here, 3 and 7, 2 and 6, 4 and 8. Okay, corresponding. Are going to be 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 7, and 4 and 8. Okay, that's going to be all of them. Sorry, it is in the book too, but this is just drawing. So it's corresponding in terms of its location based on the transverse. Okay, let's look at some book examples. Okay, then we'll go into parallel lines. Okay, so labeling. Let's give you an example that you can just pause the video and work on. Let's just make this interesting. Oh, they did it this way. Okay, I want you to label all interior, all exterior, all alternative interior, all alternative exterior, and all consecutive interior, and then all corresponding. Okay, so all interior, exterior, alternative interior, alternative exterior, corresponding interior, and corresponding angles. Sorry, consecutive interior. All consecutive interior, all corresponding. Okay, I want you to label all of the relations here. Sound good? Yeah, sounds good. Pause the video and do that, and we'll move on to the next thing. Okay. Okay, next video. Race, and I will see you in the next video.